Payday loans. Getting a money break life is full of surprises. Sometimes, these surprises can come in the form of expenses. Maybe you need some quick cash to pay for the hospital bills or college tuition fees. You need to get money the quickest and easiest way possible. The Payday loan is the answer to your urgent financial needs. Payday loans are useful for people in dire need of quick cash. Availing of a personal loan through the banks takes a lot of time and paperwork. Sometimes, people cannot avail of such a loan because of poor credit ratings or the lack of collateral. Payday loans are handy in these instances. The Payday loan is a form of loan where you use your salary as collateral. Payday loans are short-term, so they mature quickly, usually in 30 to 90 days. When the payment of the Payday loan is due, you pay for it from your paycheck or you can renew the loan. Payday loans have higher interest rates than regular or personal loans. The interest rates can range from as low as $10 to as high as $40 for every $100 you borrow. The interest rates vary for each lending firm, so you might look at the numbers before you sign up for a Payday loan. The fees for Payday loans can be calculated on a weekly or monthly basis. You should read the fine print of the lending firm regarding this matter. Many Payday loans have interest rates that can reach 3 digits if compounded annually, so make sure that you are capable of paying off the loan on schedule. If you are interested in getting a Payday loan, it's advisable to know the requirements first. Many lending firms have little requirements for you to avail of a Payday loan. You must have proof that you hold a steady, full-time job and that you have a bank account. Of course, you must be an adult to avail of a Payday loan. Many lenders require you to write post-dated checks in their favor or to create a bank debit authorization as guarantees of payment. When the payment of the Payday loan is due, the lender will debit your bank account or cash the check. Payday loans are ideal for those very urgent and important needs, such as in cases of emergency. However, the poor understanding of Payday loans can be disastrous to your financial health. You should borrow only small amounts of money that can be paid off in a short period of time. Otherwise, you will end up paying for a Payday loan that has doubled or tripled in size. Don't hesitate to cancel the Payday loan before the due date, if it is possible and your finances permit. This way, you will avoid paying more money for interest and other fees. Plus, it's a good way to improve your credit rating and make it easier for you to get another loan next time. Looking for the best deals? There are countless lending firms on the internet offering cheap Payday loans. Although there are many honest and credible lenders, there are also some scams and fraudulent ones. You have to look for the best Payday loan deals that offer the lowest interest rates and the best terms and services possible. Some websites allow you to compare various online lending firms, so be sure to do your research before signing up. In selecting the best Payday loans, look for lenders that have established a niche in the field of lending, preferably one that has been in business for several years. A good lender should also state clearly the fees, rates and terms for the Payday loan you are interested in. When you have found a good lender that offers the best terms and rates you can find, be sure to check the requirements. Many online lenders don't require your credit report, but you might be required to submit some documents. Apply for the Payday loan only when you can't fulfill the requirements and if you are capable of paying off the loan in full during the due date. What to avoid a Payday loan can turn out to be an expensive nightmare if you are not very careful. By all means, don't get a Payday loan to pay for long-term expenses. The Payday loan should only be acquired for immediate and urgent needs, and should be paid off in full by your next salary. Be sure that you can pay off the loan before you apply for it. Borrow only small amounts and pay them off as soon as possible. Don't get a Payday loan just for the heck of it, or to pay for regular household expenses. Doing so can lead to an endless cycle of borrowing and spending that can lead to financial disaster. Permission is hereby granted to reprint this article as long as proper credit is given, including the information handlings. About the author, Francisco Rodriguez's Payday loan necessary. http://www.getdebtconsolidationhelptoday.com